Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guess what? We're gonna do our second mod on the new truck. And what I got here is a new Roll Up Tonneau cover. And you know, I kind of been looking forward to this because I had a Roll Up Tonneau cover on the old truck, and since I've gotten the new one, I really missed it, so I had to get one because it's almost like necessary for me. It's a brain thing. But anyway, so what we have here is an Oedro Tonneau cover. And I've already dug into it a little bit to take a look and see what was going on here, and I think I've got it. Because, you know, sometimes we don't like to look at the instructions. This is going to be fairly easy, though. There is there are 6 of these C-clamp to hold it down. And, oh, you know what? Before we go any further, here's what I'd like you to do is put the video on pause, take a look down at the right below the video, give it a thumbs up if you like what's going on here. Tonneau cover, roll up for a 2017 6.5 foot bed, 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 6.5 foot bed. But give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. I don't do videos every single day, maybe once a week, every 2 weeks or whatever. That's about the extent of how much I like to do this. So anyways, let's get to it. I don't think I'm coming off very exciting right now, but trust me, I'm pretty happy and excited about putting this on. So we got some sides here, and I can tell already this side, because of the grip here, or clamp I should say, for holding it down. Here's a better look at it. This should go towards the rear of your truck. Oh yeah, look, they gave me a light. Light. Lights installed. That was easy. That was too easy. Man. Oh, let's see. So this part here that still has the felt, not the felt, the foam bottom on it. This will go up towards your window. This is going to be done so quickly. All right, so here we go. We've got an Allen key, so on each end up there, there's a little hex key, Allen head nut on it, and what we'll use it. Oh, notification of something. And what we'll do is we'll use that to connect the 2 rails here, and then we'll put our clamps on. Let's get to it. All right, so I already got the other side done over there. What we've got is, here's the Allen key head that I was talking about. And this will just, you want to make sure, if you look on the back side here, there's a nut. So what you want to do is make sure you've got that all the way through like so. Make sure that's not pinching. and tighten your Allen key all the way down. Now right there I have it hand tight to where I can't go anymore, so I'm going to take the Allen key, go about somewhere about 12 o'clock position, tighten it that quarter turn, and that is all you're going to need. It's not going to fall apart. So now we'll just line it up, start unrolling it, because you'll notice we have these metal bars in here. And what we want to do is get it to where the bar is flush up here on this side. See, this side's not even lined up right. And then get it to where the bar is flush against our brace this way. That way we can center it up. If you come and look at this real quick, your position, this should all be flush, just the way it is. And yeah, that should hang inside. These should hang inside. You want all this flush, not like this, not like that. You want it just like this, flush right up against the back of the truck. Having that land right in position up against it. See, there's a little space here, so there. Now that's up against it, flush. Now that side over there should be in. See how nice and flush it is? Right up against it. And then this side is nice and flush. This is very easy. Now you'll notice there's a groove here. This little notch right there, that actually fits up inside it just like that, and it like locks, holds it right into place. And there it is. Check it one last time. And again, out of all these that I've ever done, no matter what brand it is, you do not have to super crank them down at all. Just like that. Let's get the other 5 done. All right, so we have all 6 of them locked in place. And I want to make note that I was saying that this should be flush. Well, I put it flush because that's what it says, but I put it flush, and then once I rolled it all back, I had everything in place. Once I put it back, if you look down the line here, if you look down the line there, this was actually like all the way out to here. So what I did was I moved it back flush here, because maybe that's what the instructions meant, is that it should be flush against the back of your cab there. So we got a nice even all the way down this line here. We're nice and even right down this line. And we're nice and even right down on this line, and it's attached in. So the only thing left to do is for this seal here, which I'm sure is going to go across here. Got it marked. Just by hand, of course, it's not that big a deal. take it or leave it. Getting an eyeball, what I'm doing is I'm looking down. You can see the dirty mark along here. And it's looking like that's where it's lining up with. So I'm gonna leave this unrolled back a couple. We'll peel off our sticky side here. And I'm gonna go just inside of that. Look at that, nice and neat, all the way down. I like the way this goes. It's a pull cable, so you can see the handle has a nice grip around it, but you pull it, pulls the lines, pulls the lock out. Wasn't ready for that one. Oh, that's a nice tight grip, I'll tell you. I like it. Back up a little. So we just pull that, pops right up. And again, we got our free little light that came with it. There's our free light. Oh, this is great. I love it. What do you think, Kathy?
Looks good.
I'll tell you, that's such a tight seal, you probably don't even need that, but I'm looking where that lands, and I'm like, wow, that's really cool. I kind of like it tight like that. So there you go. Okay, back up. So there you go. The new 2017 GMC Sierra. We got a new tonneau cover on it. I'm happy with it. I'm really excited. Next I got a couple of things I got to do on the vet yet today, and it's early, man. I think this is going to be the last great weekend. Look at the sky, clear blue skies out today. Going to be able to get a lot of stuff done this weekend, today, tomorrow. Get a couple of videos shot and get those uploaded for you one at a time. Again, I only upload once a week, once every other week, so. But this weekend it'll be a really great chance to get a few videos recorded and get a little stockpile going and put them out once a week for you. So remember, drop down below, give a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Let me know what other stuff you'd like to see. We've even got a GMC Terrain that I know that we can do a couple of things on. The vet, and as you know, as you probably seen in another video, if not, then back up and give that video a like. But we also have the 85 Z28 Camaro is at the shop getting body and paint right now, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. So have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.